Yeah, hi Rahul sir. Hi Michael sir.
Right.
Are you able to hear me, Michael sir?
I'm here.
Not. Yeah, great, great, great.
I got back on.
That's nice.
I'm back.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yes, Nishant.
Yes.
Please continue.
Nishant sir, what's the time out there in Dubai now?
Sorry. 9:30,
What's the time in
9:45,
Dubai?
9:45.
Morning?
No, no, no. Evening.
It's evening.
Oh, okay. I got confused with the glasses there.
We are back.
Okay.
We are behind you. You must be like, what time is there?
It's
It's
8:18 now.
10:48 in the morning.
Ah.
Hold on, hold on. So we are, this time is here. So that's how I keep myself updated. So we are almost at 7 o'clock in the evening. You guys are ahead of me.
Yes. 1.5
Yes.
hours
I
approx.
thought
Yes.
you were saying what time do you start, you know.
And I think Michael, it's in the morning there.
Yes.
Where?
But
Yes.
and by the way, I left my email if anyone wants to email, and I can send information as well.
Yes, we would love that. Nishant, you had a very good way of a good point there when you said like we here we need to sort of collaborate maybe on as a group. What do we offer to people who are
Yeah,
wanting our
yeah.
services? So we need to get to that. Rahul will of course get us together on that. And also I believe Rahul, I would like to know more from Khairul. This kind of technological gamings and all, here people are very much in demand. Wherever I'm putting across my modules, I do put in my videos and all for but they asking me for the latest games, the especially the corporates and the MNCs. So we'd like to hear from Khairul, what kind of these games does he conduct?
Depends on what type of topics. Most of my game is on self development. I don't really use Kahoot, quizzes or type of that. My game is more on using the platform of Zoom, like breakout rooms and that. So I just bring out some of my games. Like I have a game called the Carnivals, which teach about Wheel of Life. I have the carnival called Postman, which teach about negotiation and communication. So it depends on what type of topics that I teach. I prefer facilitate breakthrough, which means I just ask them to play games and let them experience the aha moment. Because I believe in people's potential; they already have it. They just need someone to actually open up that perturbation mood so that they can go across it. So that's how I play games. I created games depending on topics and how deep I want to go in term of one topic. So one of my program that I run vigorously is something called Bunkit, which is in our language. We also run it in English language, a few version called Rise Up, where we play games for to teach people about their will of life, about how they want to know their values. I have games to see what are the values that you hold in your life and how you want to change your values. We have games about goal settings and a lot more lah, depending on what type of topics that I actually coming through.
Because I'm into all this goal setting and also it was wonderful that you guys. Rahul had told me about you, so I wanted to interact with you because
Sure.
here the IT especially I'm heavily into my experience has been in the IT sector, where the corporates even like she was into HSBC, I was with HCL for a long time. I'm actually a PGDM HR. I'm in the HR field. I was for a pretty long time, where everybody told me I should be concentrate on training which was, it was as if it's my blood. So I've been dealing with the corporates and MNCs, and now the latest one, all the modules that I'm sending, this kind of communication, goal setting, time and stress management. They're wanting games devised on these kind of features. So I just wanted to do. It's wonderful that you're with the thing. I think everyone everywhere they're having these kind of objectives.
Oh, yeah.
Talking about NFTs here also, Dishant, you were talking. I just heard from Capgemini. My trainees are all in all the leading MNCs and corporates. So this kind, they've done away with a trainer and facilitator, and they are giving the modules, and the joinees are to get into a self-paced mode. They are all the materials and all are given to them, and they need to keep pace, whether it's technical, whether it's not non-technical aspects of work. This person was telling me, ma'am, no, we would love someone like you to be there to guide us, but it's the company's rule that you do it on your own. And it's upon the individual how fast he or she learns, how slow, that means you're not tech savvy, you're not on your own, you're not a future leader, etc. So this kind, and you were talking, and especially also, here, company, NIT, I was big time with them. And they said one day that we are having in-house, trainer, because we cannot afford your expenses, your fees. Our place, Kolkata, is running behind in terms of financial capability. So most of them are training, having in-house HR people. What you mentioned, this has been going on here for some time. So pandemic has even made it worse. So we need to be absolutely with the times, with the latest modules, with the latest games, with the latest technology. That's a big challenge for me, because I'm a person who I highlight on the human aspects, a change, a transformation from core inside. But now I'm having to take the help of my brother who's an engineer. So this is the big time change which I'm noticing here.
Well, actually, from my experience, because for the past 1+ years, I've been talking to like 20+ countries, training online. What I noticed for like corporate, last time when we are doing face to face, they are asking for results, which means if they come for trainings and the participant get out of it, they want something out of it, results, which normally they go with Kirkpatrick models. But now they are demanding more, where they are not only asking for results, but they are looking for continuous results. So that's why I go more into games, more into simulations, instead of just lecturing. Because I notice a lot of people, when they bring their program online, they just do lectures. They just wow with their storytelling, but lecturing will not actually comes out with result. They will have a lot of notes, that's for sure. They will have a lot of papers with a lot of key points, but without continuous results, people will not come again for you. That is what I learned the hard way, because when I first bring my program online, I don't know how to actually make the engagement, because a lot of people use Kahoot, quizzes. I do that in the first rounds. I noticed that in terms of engagement, it dropped by up to 40%, which is bad. I'm not used to people not engaging with me. So since then, I get to know how games are done, not designing games like how you play PlayStation, things like that, but it's how I run on the platform itself. So we have this game called Werewolf Kampung Pisang, or a werewolf in a place where in Malaysia, where they need to find out who are the werewolf among them, and they have each of them their own characters. So we are jumping in and out of breakout rooms, using the powers that they have in their cards and all those kinds of, just to know who are the werewolf among them, and then we do the learning part of it. It's fun, it's engaging, and it will stick to them because they are having fun running the games. So
Yes.
that is why I noticed that how I get connected to corporates and how my games are going through regions lah. But what they look at more is when they go out from a training program, corporate are looking like they change and they keep on changing. They are not just coming with one skills, but
No.
they want to change a lot more lah. So the task on us is to make sure that the continuous upskilling are done even after the training itself, so that they will come back to us to keep on upskilling their people. So that is my observation for the past
That
years.
is very much total, immediate, day to day. You've done this kind, and what has been the effect? How have the employees been impacted day by day? It's a big point which even I have felt that. And this performance appraisals that are taking place, that's come from a yearly to a quarterly, now it's monthly, and they want it even day by day, how how I'm conducting the appraisals, so that at the end of the day, each employee has been impacted in some way, which will help them in their work.
I just want
So
to let you know,
these are the big
I have to leave. I have to leave, so I'm gonna have to contact me again. I gotta go. Unfortunately, I have some appointment I have to go to, but I just want to let you know it's been a pleasure.
It's been a pleasure
Thank
hearing
you,
you.
Michael. It's been a pleasure.
I send you my email, so please email me.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Sure.
Awesome. We
Thank you, guys.
really input.
Thank you. Thank you,
Sure,
Michael.
Michael. That's
Thank you.
it.
Take care. Take care.
Take care. But have a good day.
Rahul, we are waiting to hear from the horse's mouth.
Yes, Rahul will you conclude now?
I will conclude now because it is too much of connectivity and disconnectivity that has been happening, but I'll take care of it next time as promised. Now, that is a part,
Yes.
Yeah,
What
that is
happened
why.
with the disconnectivity?
No, it's okay. It's okay.
But we'll
It's a part.
always
I'm fine. I
we'll
said I'm
always be
fighting. I'm fighting.
connected.
I said I'm fighting till now. It's a very big fight which I'm into.
This is where Rahul, this is where I put in our trainings, is that technology will never take over human aspect.
No, it will not. It will
Technology is
not.
disconnecting us, but if we have touched the hearts of the participants, they'll come back to us.
Exactly. That is what is
That
happening.
is the thing. That is what is happening, and that's, I think Michael was also saying, I believe in that. And my brother says, you are not so good in technology, that's why you say all these excuses. I said, yeah, that you're always there, but I've been appreciated where I have not even used technology, because at the end of the day, I will see that they are connecting with me in any form or the other. So, it is above technology. It will never take over. They
No, no,
are
it
our
will not.
aid,
It will
isn't
not.
it? I think all of you will agree. They are our aids, and they need the human beings to operate them, isn't it, Nishant?
At least now we cannot move a single step without technology. At least now.
No, yes,
Correct,
that
very
is
true.
COVID.
but then that is helping us. It's not
Absolutely.
running. We should
Absolutely.
not allow that to run. That's my point. But we do need it.
So,
Yeah,
Rahul,
Nishant.
can you just elaborate a little more? Like when you said that we cannot go on technology, just a little more, just a statement or two. Like what did you say? If you can repeat that.
No, what I meant to say, Nishant, is this connecting and disconnecting will continue as long as we are connected to the heart. When you love somebody to connect, you can do. There are multiple ways to do that. बहाना बनाना तो easy है यार. कोई भी कुछ भी बोल सकता है. But if you really want to connect, you can do that. There are a lot of ways. Technology is going to help us in that. So I'll agree to your part on the LinkedIn. Today, I think I have about 1,000 followers with me. So it makes sense now. Having 10,000, 15,000, 5,000 followers in LinkedIn is a big deal. It's a notion, I believe, in LinkedIn, and that's a platform which I'm connecting today. Even I got connected to a yes.
I'm interrupting here. Like sessions we were doing, and then I did one on how to put on videos and all that. There, the facilitator said one thing is that having so many people in your list is not the criteria. Rahul, you have seen the negative part of this which you were avoiding, to bring that. When it
Yes.
comes to actual work, you will not get many people to work with you,
Yes.
right?
That we all have
the
experienced.
thing is that you need the core group.
I actually
If
just opened my
one
LinkedIn
value,
again after like 6 months.
Yes, Dishant, that is,
So
I
many
started
messages.
it only 1 month back, and I was not getting the live. I did the latest. I did the remote working module. I did the hybrid module. People all over the world are talking about it. I didn't get likes. The moment I did my own personal video, and the one which I did with Rahul, I got so many connection invites. Right. But next time, I ask them that, I want to be a speaker or something. They don't have any topics to go on with me. And I'll just end with this. I was just telling Rahul this incident. This girl, she's just into the training for 2 years. She sent me an invite saying that, Aditi ma'am, you're so experienced and with the various backgrounds and all that. So I would like to know more things about training and facilitating. How did you go about it all these years and all? So I said I would love to, and if I can add value to you, I would love all this. 2 days later, she sends me an invite to a webinar which she's hosting. So I was wondering that whether she really wanted to get value from my experience, or whether she's increasing the number of connections she has on LinkedIn.
Yeah, that is happening. Okay, Ryan is there. Ryan, hello, can you hear us? Ryan is from Sri Lanka, Colombo. Ryan, can you hear
Yeah.
us? We cannot see you.
Good evening. Yes.
Good evening. Good evening.
Hi, Ryan.
Can we see you? I mean, I know I have seen you. Aditi has seen you, but Nisant, Khairul, and Neha haven't. If you have the option of course.
I'm just connecting
Trying.
you.
Okay.
From my cell phone.
Fine, Ryan.
We just
It's okay.
just
It's okay. Take your time. Take your time. So
we just
Nishant,
had our
yeah, Nishant, like the platform, whatever we have spoken so far from the 7 o'clock in the evening, what the objective is, I think we have reached at least 5% of that today, because people have
7
been
o'clock
very
or 5:30?
5:30. Yeah, in your clock it is 5:30, right? So I'm always
it's
counting on my side.
I'm
Selfishly, I'm counting on my side. Selfishly, I'm counting on my side.
I'm just keeping it light. That's it. Nothing
Yes.
much.
No, we should have humor in between, because a serious session is very boring.
So why I was saying and why I bought LinkedIn in the picture, and I was talking about the conversion. We will surely connect on LinkedIn. My only request for now, Rahul, is that you also know that I was aggressively doing all the events and everything before. Now with all of this, I have moved back onto my business front, because financials were supposed to be taken care as well. I think that you're on the right track. Just want to say that once we're done with this call, let's get everyone into a private group, okay, on LinkedIn especially. Let's start growth hacking from tomorrow onwards. Let's not just wait for some more plan, because the more we delay, the more we get delayed. So do these kind of calls very often now. Okay, I will include all those GTC people also on your group, so that they also be a part of your culture. That's how we're gonna bring all these things. And I'm telling you, digital, okay, understood, it is the future. Technology, understood, it is the future. But I'm telling you, the third word, I always been saying this for the last year, collaboration is the key to anything in the future. The more you collaborate, the more you will be sustained. In India and in Hindi we say that मुट्ठी बन के चलेंगे तो बहुत आगे जा सकते हैं, खुल जाएंगे तो कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा. You cannot pick a single thing, push anything with this finger. You can still be able to push a lot of things with the whole hand. So let's come together. The more we collaborate. I am looking forward for a person like you to collaborate with, because I know you're aggressive. You can do it. You have already started doing it. I just want to bring all that GTC and GTA people to be a part of your program. We will do a collaborative program wherein Aditi ji and Neha and Michael, Ryan, and all these people, because when they see people from their own region also.
Call me Aditi, please. I know I'm elder to y'all, but it makes me feel even more older.
Okay, I will not say that. Okay, so
Okay.
Mr. Palit is something that I can say. I won't be able to say your name. So Mr. Palit, right? But Miss Palit.
No, Aditi, please. That's very, very
Okay,
formal. I
okay.
think
Let's
since
just
we're
say
going to work together.
Aditi, Neha, Michael. So why I'm saying let's bring in people together is so that not just we are connecting because we have a commonality which is Indian, right? Ryan is from Sri Lanka. I have few more people from Sri Lanka who are already a part of the group which I run, right? They will be able to interact with them locally. When we make, geography connect, then we will be able to do a lot of world connect. When you do a world connect, then we can say, okay, let's collaborate and do something cross culturally. I am telling you, if you just visualize with me, okay, you bring in 50 people, I bring in 50 people. These 50 people are from different regions, different geographies. And in the next coming 6 months, let's do a program together wherein all these people will be, in a particular forum once the COVID is over. Let's bring them to a chapter India, chapter, UAE. Let's bring all those people who want to, come to India and attend this
But
program. Let's
Nishant,
bring
why
in all
not
those
right
people who
now
want to.
online?
Yeah, that's what
That's what
we
I'm
were
saying.
saying.
That is,
Yeah, now
I'm
online.
talking about the future vision. Obviously, on the first step is bringing all these 50 people online, getting to know them, getting to know each other.
And having
Only
some
then we
online forum also, like where online we can have some trainings go on and, people interact through that too also.
Yes.
Like this is the core committee meet. It's a different thing. Whereas Rahul was
Neha,
planning
100
something else.
people, 100 trainings, 100 people, 100 trainings recorded, run that on a particular LMS of Rahul. You will wonder where are we now after 6 months if we do something like this. But for that, we have to bring in people first. I already have a chunk of people which are already with me because I have been doing some events. I could see that Rahul was one of those guys who were the most, forward driven during my converge. And I know that he can do it. I can see the involvement is huge. So with all you people, you can bring in more people. You can recommend few people to come on board and be a part of this forum. Don't charge them. Don't ask them money. Just bring them. Let's bring them all together, do a particular session, record that session, put that up. Simple as that. Once you have put them up, create a portal, put all those recordings there, run them. Let people learn for free. Let's not do it on Udemy. Let's not do it anywhere else. Let's just be a portal which actually gives everything for free and doesn't even ask a single money for it. Once you do it, then it becomes a forum which is more than a forum. It becomes an initiative. Once it becomes an initiative, do then local chapters. Once it is done, I am telling you, the vision is huge, Rahul, that you're carrying. But let's just put it, and we can start with this growth hacking, the word that I just gave. I think a lot of us were not aware. I had more than 22,000 people on LinkedIn right now. And people will come in and say that I have got 22,000 people, but half of them are, paid. What people do is they buy and there are no need of it. I'm saying all these 22,000 are organic. I started on LinkedIn. You can go on LinkedIn and see that when I started almost 10 years back, I used to send out requests to each and everyone who I could see that who's been recommended to me by LinkedIn. Today, it's such a great platform. Now the growth hacking has actually started, and what we will do is we can create a group. Let's just say only we five are there. Okay. And Rahul is already a part of one of the groups, right, Rahul?
Yep.
Yeah. So we all can come through. We can be on one group, Neha, because you are saying that you haven't started with any comment, okay, any post. Put a post tonight, okay, and put the link of that post.
I did post, but like I was like not so active on LinkedIn. I'm more active on Facebook and others.
again, as we said, that the dynamics might change. The dynamics may differ because the audience that you're looking for may be on Facebook. My audience may be, because I don't work with the middle management or below. I work with the people who are revenue generations. Okay, I work with people who are at a position who have money and can spread out money, and that's why I have to be on LinkedIn. I cannot be somewhere else. I come with consulting background. Training was my portfolio, and so I wanted to do some initiatives around it till last year. But I have, I will share a few things with you, towards the end of the call on the chat box, so that we also get connected on LinkedIn. But at the same time, why I'm saying this is because I've seen that there's a lot of change which is required. We might be doing a lot, but still not enough to go ahead. There are people who are spending money on their marketing. There are people who are spending fake followers. There are people who are promoting themselves and then becoming influencers. There are people who are spending. Simple as that.
Absolutely. Lakhs and crores they're spending on these promotions.
Maybe let us say they are good, they have good luck, they have people behind them who has got a lot of money, they have they have support function in such a manner that they can spend that money, or they're still doing a job and simultaneously they're running something like this so they can afford it. Let's just say if we do not have money today, what will you do then? My question is to all of you on the portal right now. You guys don't have money. I'm just saying we all don't have money in our pocket. How do we go about it? How do we go about it if we don't have money? How do we survive? The survival for I'm saying this survival means not just I'm talking about life. I'm saying survival as a person in this industry. How do we survive without money? The only thing that is going to work is network. That network has to be net worth also, and that net worth can only come through connection. That connection has to start with a dedicated forum. That dedicated forum will be with Rahul knows everything. Rahul is somebody who can lead everything from his end, and I know it, he can. So I think Rahul will be getting back to us sooner, okay, about how we're going to proceed. And he's the right guy, man. Rahul, up to you. And I shall
You know
forward
what?
and be a part of it.
I didn't know him.
Yeah.
We're from the same city. But one post that he did about conflict management, the way he presented it, I thought that he's in the same city. I'm COVID or not, we can always be there connected. And I think we hit off, that way. So this is how work can be seen actually, right? Isn't it? So he is the person, getting this, let me tell you, getting this event, you were talking about, Rahul, we can talk about that, was a big issue. I told him, I was told that if we, or Dishan, maybe this is a little of, what you were saying that paid events. Rahul was doing for free. I was told by one of my mentors, if you're doing for free, people will not give you value. You may have 4 or 5 people who are paying the charge and coming, and they are people who will give you value. But here he was struggling with, subscriptions, because so many said will, come and join, but they didn't, they were not paying that. So, but I saw his determination. I told him, in fact, Rahul, do you really want to go ahead? This is kind of people are just, making use of you and then want without thing. He said it's on. Even yesterday I messaged him. Are you sure it's on? He said it's on. So I really like this, this determination that he is confident he's going to give value. We are getting value from this meet. He was very sure of that. When you said that he has this quality, these things came to my mind.
So nice of you, Aditi. Thank you so much for sharing. Well, we are all on the same platform, but the objective is very clear. We all have the same objective. See, if we are connecting today for 1.5 hours, we should have something to come for us in the near future. Every time we cannot come and discuss, it will be a vague if we keep on discussing and we don't come to a conclusion. So I'll go by Nishant, that I'll create a LinkedIn group once I get connected to all of you. I'm not connected presently to Neha, Aditi, and Khairul on LinkedIn. I'm connected with Nishant and Michael.
We are, Rahul.
I am with Aditi, not with Neha, Khairul.
Yes.
So I'll connect with them. Once I
I
connect.
already add you. I already add you in LinkedIn,
Okay.
Rahul. I just found you.
Okay. Okay. I'm there. I'm
Okay.
there. I'm
You
there. I'm
found
there.
me
Okay,
too.
we-
I sent you my link too. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Good. Good. Good.
Yeah.
Fine. What we'll do is form the core team out there, and Nishant, I'll come to you individually for the for your NTC team out there, and then we can collaborate with the whole thing. And I'm planning for another 14 days of time, or maybe the first week or second week, 10th or something of May. We'll plan out another Zoom, and then we can bring in more members. Which will be a free session. We can try to bring in more members and make
Just,
the group. Yeah.
Rahul ji,
just one
can I
request.
suggest
Just one
something?
Nishant.
request, Rahul.
Yes. Nishant.
Just one request. Whenever you're keeping the next meeting,
Hmm.
just keep it, at least 2 hours later, if it's okay with you guys.
2 hours later.
Somewhere
Okay.
around, a
10
9ish
o'clock.
in India,
What time?
9ish or 10 o'clock in India.
In-
9ish in India or 10 o'clock in India.
And 9, 10 go, and then it'll go into midnight and all that.
So we
Like-
have to stick to 1 hour time, so that 9 to 10 it's done.
Yeah.
Can we-
nine
can
Then
we-
to
we would
10.
have
can we
to
do
stick
it
to
at
that
8
time.
o'clock?
7 to 8 is fine.
Achha, 8 p.m. is okay.
8 is
8
not
o'clock is fine. Perfect.
8 is not
perfect.
possible for me, guys. No.
Okay, then we make it 9 o'clock. If 9 is okay. Is it okay
So-
time in Malaysia?
We can
If
discuss,
it's a
Rahul. We can
Sunday,
discuss it.
I'm okay.
Rahul will take the
If
lead.
If it is a Sunday, I'm okay.
Yes.
Khairul, are you okay with the evening slot?
I'm okay as long as
You don't have a
can-
session.
You confirm I don't have a session, then I'm
Hmm.
okay because
Thanks.
most of my program on weekends are up
Hmm.
to
I
11,
know.
12.
I know
in
you
our
shared
time,
me.
so-
You shared me. I remember
The
that.
weekend programs are there. Then we can make it on a Friday, but it's late.
Achha,
Yeah,
I'll
just,
plan out. I'll plan out.
It's
I'm
okay on
only
Friday.
available maybe Sunday evening because because of Rahul ji, I cancelled all my sessions and scheduled it on a
I know
different
that.
day.
Again, I know that.
So I'm
Maybe a
like
Friday.
completely tied up.
Nishant
So
is a
sorry.
holiday mood on Friday.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah,
It's a
because
working
Saudi
day.
Arabia, they have,
It was so strange when we went over and my friend's husband was going to work on Sunday. He went to work and he'll work very early, right? And I woke up at 8 o'clock there and I saw he's off. So it said Sunday he's working. My friend said, yeah, you're in UAE, you're in Dubai. It's a working day.
Nice.
So these kind of this, it takes time to sink in.
During this
What about
auspicious month of
Malaysia? Is
Ramadan,
that
I
also,
guess
like, working
the
on Friday? Like,
Okay.
working time, the duration is also in the morning till afternoon. So, everyone is available. So if you call up anybody in UAE during the next another 16 more days, they will be available from 2 o'clock till end of the day on a weekday, and on Friday they should be available. Ideally they shouldn't be, because Friday has to be a more auspicious day for them, and a lot of people will be going for prayers in the mosque and all. But for Sundays, it's really working day. It's considered to be the first day, actually, the first workaholic day of
Working
the
day.
week, because some offices are also closed on Saturday as a second day of the weekend. But Sunday should be the first day of the week, considerably. So let's just say that on weekday, let's keep it, somewhere around whatever. I think Rahul will take the call on that.
Yeah.
I'll connect with you, Rahul, offline. Yeah.
Fine. We'll
Yeah.
do that. We'll discuss and come to a conclusion where everybody is available. I mean, maybe one or
Rahul
two
sir,
will.
I was suggesting something.
Hmm.
Right now, if you're planning to take advantage of the lockdowns that's happening all over across the world,
Hmm.
I guess we delaying this for a week or two would be disturbing.
You mean to say
Because
we
right
should do it
now,
more
if people are
earlier?
entering lockdown,
Huh.
we
Yes.
need. I mean, I don't know. I guess
No,
I have a
it's
few
okay.
people
We
here
can make
who
it a
know.
weekly one if that's what she's saying.
Yes, because we need to plan out things pretty fast if we need to go ahead and tap the situation which is
Yes.
in.
But
Once
Neha,
this
Neha
COVID
will
is
require
gone, the digital
Neha.
thing is gone.
I'm sorry to interrupt you. We'll request some time
Everybody-
to form the group, right? We need members to come in and understand
Organize.
what we are doing. They will need some time. You refer, Nishant refers, Khairul refers, Aditi refers, I refer, and people come and join in a group. It will take at least
Take
at
time.
least 1 week time. उसके बाद ही कुछ कर सकते हैं.
हाँ तो 1 week का टाइम लेते हैं and
उसके
after
बाद
1
प्लानिंग
week
करते हैं
but
ना,
we'll
डेट का
have to
प्लानिंग
be
करते
really
हैं.
active because
Yes.
आपका
One-
when are the elections, Rahul? When are your
Elections
elections?
are
Done,
Yeah,
no?
will
it's
end up.
on. It's on.
It's on. It's on. It
It's
will. The
on.
results will be out on 2nd of May.
Yes. We have the last one this month.
Hmm.
My constituency, it's on 26th, and it's the results are on 2nd.
So
No way.
Let's
No
have
way. We
this
will
time
discuss.
until
Neha?
26th.
Hmm?
Neha, which location do you come from?
See, I'm basically from Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, but I'm married to, unfortunately, someone in Patna, so I'm in Bihar now.
I hope this unfortunate person is not around you.
I don't mind. I mean, he knows how unfortunate I am.
Like
So it's
I
lockdown there?
I'm
Completely
sorry?
lockdown? It's a complete lockdown
Yeah,
there?
just today it was announced while I was in a meeting with Rahul. It just got announced in the TV that there's a lockdown right now.
Lockdown
From
for
now.
how many days?
I think until कितना एक महीना
what?
1 month.
1 month lockdown?
lockdown.
Really?
Which location?
1
Can you
month.
repeat that? 1 month?
Patna,
Which location?
Bihar. Patna.
Oh my God.
And it's seriously the cases were completely going crazy. So
And the fun part is,
That
you know,
you all
Neha,
need to move
my
to a different
driver-
geography for
I,
some.
my
I'm
driver
tested
is from
negative by the
Bihar.
way. Rahul ji, I told you, no. I mean, I had 5 active cases in my house, 5 corona people in my home,
It's
and now
getting-
I'm like after that 8
Well-
days we got tested ourselves just in case, you know, to check if we are positive or negative.
Well,
I'm negative.
I'm a COVID survivor.
No, I'm not got COVID yet. I don't want to.
And I took
sorry, I'm
sessions from
diabetic.
the
Sorry.
hospital bed. I attended workshops. That's
Oh my
another
God.
thing.
My.
Yeah.
I don't want to come into that situation.
My friend said, get married to a doctor, you will get all these. So the thing is, yes,
Oh.
that was also not on my list, you know. So,
Okay, I think
anyway, let's,
I think
get down to
I
the
think
thing
we'll
and
end
we
up.
will- yes.
I'm sorry to interrupt. I think
Yes.
we'll end up again and again.
No.
There's nothing left out today, at least to rejoin again. All have a value of time, and
Rahul ji, did you create the WhatsApp group you were talking about?
I have already created you. I'll add on. Let the new people come in first.
Acha.
Okay, I'll add you up. You
No, but I
people are
thought
already
let
there.
put in the core team first.
Yes,
No,
yes,
put
I'll
in
do,
the
I'll do,
core
I'll do,
team
I'll
first, then let the others join.
I'll do. I'm filtering. I have an experience of.
acha.
I have that experience. Now you all know. You and Aditi know. So I'm
Yes,
filtering those people.
The last
I don't
experience,
want.
I know.
I don't want time passers to come and give me knowledge.
Absolutely.
फोकट का ज्ञान मेरे को नहीं सुनने का है. सबका टाइम का वैल्यू है.
Absolutely.
हाँ ठीक है ना. जो काम करने आए हैं हम लोग करेंगे.
The fun
We will do our
The
objective.
Let's do
best
that.
part was Rahul was saying that as of now there is no campaigning, self-campaigning or campaign about your, whatever work you're doing. And the moment he's saying, the moment someone is putting a flyer or something, and that again he has to remove that person. This was getting really serious. I don't know what they were. He was feeling bad.
They're only
but he-
promoting their own courses, you know.
Absolutely. And he said that there'll be a time, let this pass, there'll be a time when he'll get this kind of collaborations and promoting and all that. He made it specifically clear in that group. And some people were having what kind of fun, and this is not professionalism. That's so, and the way he's so polite, it's the way he was saying, sorry, I have to do this, you know. They forced him to do it. Anyway, the core group came down, and I think we talked value today.
True.
Whatever there was.
No, I think we have less than a minute. If you want to rejoin in the same link, we'll have to follow. Otherwise, we can just conclude it. I'm going to construct a group. I'm going to discuss with you individually. Form the group. LinkedIn group is very much important.
That's best.
I'll do that.
From a WhatsApp, na?
Yeah,
We
I'll do
are on
a WhatsApp as well as a LinkedIn group. Both I'll do. And I'll add all of you out there. And we can discuss on an open forum out there what to do next. Already we have discussed what to do. So I think the objective is very clear.
The reason I'm asking you to expedite is because of, tapping the lockdown time when people will be free and they'll give us time. That's
that is true. We have to capitalize this
free
moment.
for a month.
No,
You'd
it's
be
okay.
free
I
for a
don't.
month.
I don't mind keeping it free for the year also.
I'm not
as
free, but I'll have to tap in. This is the time you make money, guys. Make
is-
hay while the sun shines. You know,
See,
this is
that
the
is
sun shining. Come on.
that is what has happened.